Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to invite friends in Clash Royale. To invite friends in Clash Royale, first of all, launch the Clash Royale app on your device, and once you're in the main home screen, go ahead and tap on the social menu at the top right, this one over here. Once you open up the social menu, go ahead and select Invite Friend button. Now, an automatic link will be generated. Simply tap on Copy in the pop-up to copy your link. After copying your link in your clipboard, you can share your link with friends through messaging applications such as WhatsApp, Messenger, etc. You can also go ahead and use the SMS application on your device and select a contact you want to invite to the game. After choosing the contact, they'll have to click on your link and join into the game so that you can be friends. That is how you invite your friends on Clash Royale. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.